What's good, YouTube? I'm back and I'm about to look for my trades. So I'm going to open MetaTrader 5 while I'm looking for my trades. So I'm looking now for some shorts, possibly. Why am I looking for shorts? Because primarily the market is looking like it's going to short. I seen the break of my lower high, and then now I'm going to look for some shorts. I can possibly just illustrate it really quickly for you guys. So on the 5 minute, I primarily look for my entries on the 5 minute, but I know from the higher time frame, if you look on the higher time frames, it's like shorting. It's like you could see how market came up here, then it broke structure, but it's in this big range. It's been in this range for a while now, so we just got to put up with the range. But it's in this huge range, but it's looking like market is continuously making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And then this was the lower low of the day yesterday. So possibly it could be trying to pull back for a lower high. Or it could just push down again and try to come down here for this lower low touch down here, and then it pull back up again. So I primarily I know where I'm at, so there's a high possibility that it starts reversing right here, but you never know what the market's going to do. The market is so random. It does what it wants to do. We have news at 10 o'clock and it's about to be 9 o'clock in 3 minutes. So the market is so random. So as you can see, these lows, we had equal lows for today. So it came, this was the low of yesterday, and London came to the same exact low. So that's pretty significant, because you could see that now these two lows have liquidity under them. So probably people are putting their stop losses under here because they're trying to take the reversals or take it higher. So I see the market coming down, taking them out down here, and then possibly making a reverse back to the top. Market just grabs liquidity from both sides and then it moves it around. The important thing to know is the story behind why you're taking the trade that you're taking, and why you're taking the trade that you're taking. So I know now on the 5 minute, I see breakup structure on the 5 minute. Let me get this arrow. So you can see structure pushing upwards, and then it came here. This made the lower low and broke lower high, and then it broke this low. So I can draw it out for you, so I don't have to make it too complicated. But we know on the 4 hour, we're sitting at a lower low potentially, and on the 1 hour, we can potentially break these equal lows. I'm gonna go back on it again. There's equal lows right here on the 1 hour, and equal lows always tell that there's liquidity under this low. Why? Because people put their stop losses usually under a double bottom or a double top or whatever the case is. So if the market wants to drop, it's gonna drop and come take out this liquidity down here. But if it doesn't want to, it's probably gonna push up to make a lower high again and drop down again. We'll just see what happens. Not sure. But for right now, this is what I'm seeing. The market. Somebody just texted me. Okay. Okay. So you can see market structure right here. Structure, break, structure, came right here. Structure, then it broke. It broke the last low. So this low right here was broken. So I'm looking for market to make a pull back up and then make another lower high structure, like show signs of resistance, and then I'll take it for the shorts back down. If that's what the market wants to do. And I have like easy target. This is my first target, like right here. I'll probably be taking off most of my position right there because I know that's like a liquidity zone. It shouldn't try to just take whatever is here, whatever liquidity is sitting right here, take it lower. So we'll see. If market comes back up and break this high, then I am no longer looking for shorts. Just depends. If it comes back and break this high and this high, I'm looking for buys after then, and then we'll look to see if it's going to take it to the next higher high. Who knows? But we just go with the market trend. I am a trend trader. I don't do anything besides trade the trend. I want to see the market break structure and then start trending. Once it starts trending, I'm with the trend. That's primarily how I trade. Anybody can trade however they want to trade, but that's just how I trade. I have my Telegram group chat. I be plugging my Telegram group chat in here every day because, you know, I want to get around like-minded individuals. Because I know a lot of people, I remember when I first like started trading and stuff like that, I didn't have people who were like on my type of timing. Like, I remember trying to tell my friends trading was like, see so much people, you know, making a living out of trading. And my friends really, they didn't care. They had their own passions and, you know, but that's okay. They had their own ideas and things that they wanted to do for their life. They didn't see trading as the way out for them, but I did. So it was primarily just me around my friends, but I'm the only one who wanted this type of lifestyle or to choose this type of path. So seeing that, I'm like, all right, cool. I need to get around other people who are thinking just like this. Why? Because it's going to help motivate me to keep going forward, to keep doing better, to keep being better. And yeah, that's all I really want. I just want to be around like-minded individuals and to keep getting better with people who are trying to get better. Just keep growing. Because I know if I keep getting better, the money will come. It's like no doubt about it. The money will come. And I'm going to look back at these videos like 5 years from now, even sooner, maybe like 2-3 years from now, even next year. I'm going to look back at these videos like these were humble beginnings. Even though I'm not just now starting, I actually started like almost 3 years ago, 2.5 right now. So I've been in this for a little bit, but now it's like, all right, I'm trying to take it to the next level. I'm documenting my process. I'm documenting what I'm doing. So when I get to the level I want to get to, I can look back and be nostalgic. I can even show my kids or show anyone that wants to see what I've done with my life, where I've come from. Things are really not easy. It's really not easy for me. I didn't even come from an easy life. Well, if you're from a first world country, I didn't come from an easy life. But if you're from a third world country, yes, I did. It's a lot easier than whatever you have to deal with, I'm sure. But nonetheless, I had to struggle. I'm getting it out of the mud. I'm grinding every day. I'm like, there's days that I just don't want to do this. There's days when I feel like giving up. I feel like I'm trying. I'm trying. Shit's just not working. But can't give up. Because when I think about it, it's like, there's nothing else that I'd rather do than this, really. There's nothing else. I mean, like right now, it's just, I'm so like tunnel vision on this. Like, I have nothing else right now that I want to go so hard for than trading. And YouTube, I like YouTube, but YouTube is second after trading. I love trading. And if you're wondering, if you're watching this and you're seeing me, I'm a little emotional. Definitely. I'm a little emotional. But I want you to know that, listen, this shit, it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. I don't think anything is ever easy. Like, anything that's worth it, I don't really ever see it be easy. I just chose this. This is the hard thing that I chose. Like, whatever you choose, I'm sure it's not going to be easy. So I guess it's just don't quit. I keep preaching this. Don't quit, cause I'm still here. I'm like, I'm not quitting. I'm not gonna stop. I'll do anything. Well, not anything, but like, I mean, like, I'll put in the work. Like, every time I think I'm going hard, I just think I can go harder. I can do more. I can be better. I don't think I'm just like never satisfied. I'm never satisfied with myself. That's a good and a bad thing, I guess, because you have to be content sometimes, but I know I'm not content. I'm not where I want to be. I'm not even close. So just I have so much fire in me, like, and I actually want to keep this fire for a long time, because I know once I keep leveling up and the opportunities get bigger and the risk, well, I don't think the risk is gonna still be as big, because the risk is huge now for me because I'm coming from nothing. So you have to risk a lot to get to the point where you want to be. But then when you get to that point, you don't have to risk a lot on everything to make a potential reward. Like, now I'm risking a lot to get a lot, but when I get to a lot, I don't have to risk a lot to get to a lot. I have more leverage. I have more resources. I have more experience. So I know I won't have to work this hard, but I still want the desire to work hard. Although I know it might not be as strong as it is now, because I just can't be comfortable. I can't fathom comfortability right now. It's just not here for me. And as I work hard, I'm going to tell you, you got to work hard too. Because anything that's worth it, anything that's worth doing, is worth trying for, worth going hard for. But thank y'all. Well, I'm kind of using YouTube as like a venting thing. Let's see where this goes. Let's see where this goes for the future, for real. Like, cause I don't know, really don't know. But when I look back, I don't know. Maybe I'll be embarrassed. Maybe I'll just sit there and just like cry, cause I'm just so happy, like, from where I came from. But I'm just doing this. I'm like winging it right now. I'm just making it happen, and I don't care. I really don't care what no one else thinks about me. I don't care. I stopped caring. I had to stop caring. Had to stop caring what people think about me, because their opinion doesn't matter. They're gonna die. I'm going to die. We're all gonna die. And to think that I don't do the things that I want to do with my life because of what someone else thought about me, it's like, nah, I can't do that. I gotta make sure I do what I want to do in my life, and I live it to the best of my abilities. When it's all said and done, I know I've gave it 100%. I can't go back. Like, I have no regrets. I want no regrets. I want to live and do as much, experience as much, be as much as I know I can be. I see people in this world who do extraordinary things, and I don't envy them, but I look to them and like, yeah, I'm gonna be able to do that too. It's just my beginning, and I don't think you get it any easier. And probably when the money comes, you don't have the same money problems. But life doesn't. It's not supposed to be easy. It's not supposed to be a walk in the park. It's not supposed to be, all shits and giggles. It's not supposed to be. I don't think so. Then what would be the fun in that, right? If like money just solved all your problems, or if life had no problems, like what would be the point of coming to waking up? What would be the point if every day is just great? You wouldn't appreciate anything because you don't have bad times. So take the good with the bad. Accept that this is life. You gotta accept the good with the bad, and the bad with the good. I'm about to play some music. What's good, y'all? Am I echoing? I am. Oh yeah, looks like I'm getting it. That's fine. Mm. Oh yeah, I'm in on that one. That's a nice move. That's a nice move. I'll take it.
It was the vibes.
What is good, bro? Chilling. What's good?
Yeah, I'm in the 30 cell right now.
30 cells. Yeah, I'm in NAS cells right now.
I was like, yeah, it's gonna go bullish, but then I'm thinking as we go into the opening, everyone's gonna drop.
Hopefully. Yeah, yeah, I see that drop too.
And we also rejected the Asian session low.
Yeah, I see it. Didn't get to run the London highs though, but Asian session lows, okay. What I see on NAS is that it kind of ran the London highs and it rejected the lows, as you said. But also I see a double bottom right here. I see equal lows. So most likely market might come back for this liquidity under here. So I'm looking for that. If anything, if I'm wrong, it's all good. We got news at 10 though. So we'll see. My son, my bro is here. What's good, my boy? I already got into sales. Let's see. This shit pushing back up heavy.
Yeah, damn, I'm about to get out.
Okay. I mean, I gotta wait. Because my confirmation's already told me to get it, so.
I'm kind of waiting on sidelines right now. I wanted that low on NAS, but that shit missed the low, like to the left keynote.
This one.
That previous day's low.
Okay.
Bro, I missed it by points, and that was my trade I was looking to take. It's just unfortunate. Very unfortunate.
I know Martin would probably got these lows too. So let's see.
Yeah, I think he is. He said he went long.
Let's see if I get stopped out right here.
Yeah, right now. I'm just waiting for us to run some highs and lows. London was whack, bro. Like, just from London, shit was just choppy.
Bro, that shit was ass, bro.
Shit was choppy. 30 gave the best move, in my opinion. But it only happened after played around for hours.
That's gonna be 30, man.
Yeah, DXY is pushing.
Right, when I wake up for London and then there's no setup, but then I can't go to sleep just in case a setup happens.
Shit, and then I missed my shit by points. I went straight to bed. I was like, fuck all this shit.
Yeah.
I waited for this shit for hours, and then they missed it by, I don't even know, like a point, which is crazy.
Nigga, my eyes is bloodshot right now, man.
Gotta get some sleep, bro. You gotta be sharp. So you trade London and New York?
I just beat up, yeah, bro. Nah, I don't trade. I just try to catch the move for the day.
That's stressful, bro.
So I try to get the best entry.
It was good, Dale.
I'm watching to see if NAS can run this London high. It's at the 50% of the Asian range and drop. Or we can run the Asia high and drop. Or we can run the previous day's low. And then that's will be my long. But right now, I'm just kind of.
Yeah, right now, it should look crazy.
We gonna see.
Should look like it want to fly.
It does look like it want to fly, but I gotta let trade work, man. And we got 9:30 in 10 minutes, so volume about to come in.
See, that's why Tuesday's important too, cause like there's either the low or the high. For me.
Facts.
Possibly. We gonna see.
see what happens.
Yo, Dre. I, yeah, I'm starting that series, bro. 5-day series.
Last week.
Last week's series, all 5 days.
Oh yeah. Get to it. Get to it.
Yes, sir. Quick turnovers on the videos too. I'm like, all right, I gotta get better at editing.
You just kind of see what you like.
Facts.
Oh, 9 more minutes. Let's see what happens.
See what happens. Let's see if 9:30 gonna slap me, boy.
Finna find out.
Finna find out right now. 9:30 might slap me up. So, boy, what you was doing in that trade? What's good, Eddie?
Hey, what's going on?
Eddie with the good energy. What's good, my boy?
Hey, what's going on, fam?
Chilling, chilling.
If we drop though, I'd ideally want to see us run for that previous day's low. Because since there's news at 10, if we could run that low going into that 10 o'clock time, that may be a good.
Yeah, man, maybe a good buy area, maybe.
And also the way that I'm thinking is the fact that this move here that came close to that previous day's low never had a real
Run. That's what I said. Yo, bro, I literally said that. Let me show you. I was like,
more liquidity.
there's liquidity under here. There's equal lows right here. So I know there's liquidity under there. So the market's going to come and run this shit before it take it back up.
Yeah, I want to see like a big major move. Like that move that we had wasn't nothing crazy. But if we can run that low, I would want to see price like have a good push to the top.
Yeah, I want to see this.
That could be the low of the week.
I want to see this run of this low right here and then come in. I don't know where it's going to push, but I'm just taking it to this low. That's where my take profit is at.
Yeah, I'm just taking it session by session. We're gonna see. Anything happens, so. That's one thing I did notice. So that's why last night when I missed that trade and I just watched it hit TP2, I was just like, fuck it. Best case scenario, it's still gonna come down. And it's still gonna be that original move I've been waiting for. And if it
Facts.
isn't, I ain't losing nothing. Took 2 trades and I lost $40.
Today?
2 break evens.
Oh, we were trading last night.
Yeah, London session be devious because it's way bigger frame than New York, so you can end up taking more. That nigga Bells last night, he was just fucking marrying buys.
Yeah, he got smoked. He must have got smoked.
Nah, yeah, he got cooked.
He must have got smoked. This nigga be marrying biases,
No,
bro.
it was right. It was just like US30 cut him up too many times before it finally.
Bro, what's wrong with him and trading US30, bro? Gotta leave that shit alone.
But right in here, like if you look on 30, bro, right in that consolidation before that major move higher, that's where he was looking to go long, and it was just choppy, bro. Just choppy. Like if you go to 30, 15, like in that big range where it ran that low.
This here?
Right there, it just chopped him up.
Oh.
Like he was.
Oh, I see. But his stop loss must have been too tight. Because once you got chopped up,
It was kind of wide. Like it wicked it. Like that wick is probably where his stop loss was.
but you say we wicked him mad times. I mean, after this first wick, it didn't wick again.
That's the thing, but his entry wasn't that low either. His entry was at the high of the range, and his stop loss was like below that wick.
You should,
That wick.
if you had it below this wick, you wouldn't have got wicked out.
No, but he was in before that wick. is what
Oh.
I'm saying. Like before any of that, like that first black candle, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, this first one. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Then it wicked him
So
out.
all of that, it was just up and down, up and down, up and down, and finally just wicked.
Fucked him up. Fucked him up big time.
It was the same thing with Nas. Like Nas had a drop. Me and Jenna were in longs, hit TP1, came back, stopped us broke even, came back, ran the lows, had a reaction, and then stopped us break even again. And I was just like, fuck it. Feels like one of the nights where it wasn't really correlating with the rest. Like US30 and DXY were the ones correlating, and then Nas was just doing fuck all.
True. I hate Rocket 21. Rocket 21, they spreads is disgusting, bro. They spreads is so nasty. Like, look at.
Last night were devious.
I don't like these spreads, man.
Yeah, right now spreads are getting crazy on FTMO too. Like it's like a 2-point range. 2 points.
Yeah, they spreads is devious, bro. Like, what the fuck?
I think it's because it's going to get a 930 right here.
Yeah, spreads is probably opening up.
Alright, let's see what happens.
Let's see. Hopefully, I just get a push on 930. A push in my direction, not obviously not the opposite direction.
I should push anywhere. I don't really got a bias. I'm just here trying to see what I can get.
Yeah, I just entered US30 buy.
Buys? Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, so you sold your sales?
Yeah, I got out, but I'm gonna just stick to my buys. That was my position.
Okay.
We'll see NAS. NAS is slowly. If we can run these lows before 9:30, we should probably just keep dropping for the most part. At least it is.
If you mean before 10 o'clock.
Yeah, but even 9:30, like if we close at this at 9:30 bearish, more than likely we'll keep dropping. I don't know how long it'll take to get to those lows, but
True.
ideally that's what it seems.
True that. Those lows is not even that far though. That's the thing. It's like right there.
Not even close. I mean, not even far. If it could tap it during London, it could easily tap down there during New York. Way more volume.
Facts. Let's see what 930 do. If it wake up, then I'm like, all right, I might place another entry. But if it doesn't, it is what it is. This nigga listen to the music.
Oh, that's what I was gonna listen to. My nigga ICT is on fucking.
Oh yeah, we out of here.
Twitter space.
I think this shit about to come back and stop a nigga out, bro. How it's looking right now, not looking like it's gonna close the way I want it to.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's not closing the way I want it to.
Something is stuck, girl.
Let's see.
Yeah, if it's up and it's stuck, we up there.
That shit says 9:30. It's like 1 minute. Yeah. I think that serves room to downside.
Oh, okay. I like how it's closing out. Give me that 30 volume.
If 30 can keep pushing, that just makes me more.
Oh yeah, that's it. That's it.
These
It's gone.
lows.
It's going. It's going. Easy. It's going. Give me that 930 push. Give me that 930 push.
Yeah, and it's not like price kept falling last
Fuck
night.
this nigga come.
Cheddar just gave it. Yeah. Yeah, give me that 930 push. Let's go.
Yeah, Jenner, I'm so bro. That shit really missed my.
Let's go. Let's
Yeah,
go.
Bitch, bro.
And I don't know what happened to you. Your ass fell asleep.
Come on, 930. Don't do me like that.
Bro, I did not remember that shit. I remember I was sitting here waiting for it to come to that low, and then I just realized you were gone. I was like, alright.
Oh yeah, bring it.
Oh, no way. I thought you heard me say I'm going to sleep.
Nah, I was there, bro.
My fault, bro.
All I know is you missed this shit, bro. That shit happened almost exactly how we won. Almost.
I know, bro. I was looking at it. I was like, that shit still ended up playing out.
But the way I'm looking at it, since it kind of came close, I just think it might be built up more liquidity to run it going into 9:30 time.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Yeah.
honestly, that's the only thing I can see right now. If it just keeps trending lower, then the best trade was London
Now, once we
shorts.
run this low, bro, I'm right in.
Yeah, I'm in there. Looking for maybe 20, 25 point stock. I'm trying to
like
make the most out this
swing
range.
winner.
Oh yeah, 30's out of there. If we could run these lows, I'll be perfect.
30 shorting.
Nah, it's out of there, like to the sky.
Oh.
Yeah, we out, bro.
It's a wick, but it's still probably gonna go to that previous day's high.
Damn.
Yeah, even if it come down, I
Dang.
still got
30, you
Still got
fucking
faith
me
in it.
up right now. Damn,
still
30.
got.
Damn, 930.
Nas.
Damn, Nas. She was just doing really good, bro. I took out my camera and all that.
930 can't
Shit,
She
I
fucked
feel
me
it.
up.
That's how B should be switching too fast.
Fuck.
All that happened within 1 minute.
Word, I didn't even get the chance to turn my shit on, bro. Jeez, man.
I don't know. I like shorts too. If we could run these London highs into the Asian, not the Asian 50% into this weekly gap general. That's also
No,
those like the two scenarios I have.
I think both of them will play out.
There's really like a time aspect right now. I'm trying to
But
see
I
which
think
one's gonna
instead of
happen
the
at a certain
Asian
time.
high, it'll probably sell off around 13.
Yeah, 13. Even then, if it goes that high, I might just chalk it. Honestly,
No,
but at
'cause
that
that's
point,
what it
I would
did
rather
last
been in
night,
longs.
gang.
Yeah, but at that point, I would rather be in longs. If it goes up to
No,
13k,
because
I ain't gonna
I
expect
feel
a
you,
short.
and we weren't long yesterday, but the move was still sell.
Shit. If it goes that high to 13k from here,
And then
I'm
that's
not
exactly
trading,
what
I'm
it
not
did
gonna lie.
yesterday. It went to 1350 like yesterday.
yeah, yes, it
This
was
5
ugly.
minute need to
I'm cool
chill.
with that.
Yesterday was not ugly. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, that shit was ugly. You ran previous highs and low. Big ol'
Oh,
range.
this was so clean. That's what y'all niggas are saying, bro.
It was clean with our trade.
Yeah.
The daily range was not clean, in my opinion. It ran the highs and lows. It didn't really give clear indication. Like for all we know, we could still be bullish or bearish. We still don't really know. That's why it's just like iffy. And then 30's over here pushing. So if 30
Pushing.
keeps pushing, I wouldn't want to sell NAS once it starts pushing.
Okay,
30
let's
has to
go.
drop off.
Let's go.
God
Let's
damn,
fucking
motherfucker.
go. Let me take out my camera real quick, cause this shit be
Bro,
moving
this is why you
too
just have
fast.
to have it like this, you know? Just have it like on a tripod next to you, just recording the whole thing.
Facts, cause this shit moves
Yeah,
way too
it's
fast.
It's too much in and out. I get tired of pulling my camera out because shit be happening too fast. You get in the trade, you take profit, and it's just like, all right, you like, it's already done.
Oh my god, I missed it again, bro. I missed it again, bro.
You haven't recorded, bro. As long as you haven't recorded, like with the screen, that's really all you ever need.
Fucking.
Everything else is extra. Motherfucker zigzagging. Zigzag, zig. But if it doesn't run this high, I just see more liquidity on NAS being built. That's all I'm seeing right now. It's more liquidity being built up.
I gotta slide to the fucking dentist.
Oh yeah, good luck. Good luck.
Fuck ass facility.
We're gonna make sure they get you right.
I gotta go for a filling.
Alright, yeah. US30 about to go for this Asia high, previous days high. And
Let's go. I got it.
Run that low.
Come on, Nez. Stop playing.
Oh, you added another position. That's why. Makes sense. Makes sense. I'm looking at like, damn, my nigga profit is skyrocketed. This is not what I seen. I saw the other entry. Nah, it makes sense, son.
It ran those highs really quickly. I was like, all right, cool. Let's just place one more. Come on. And I know it wants to go for that liquidity down there. I know it wants to. Just don't take me out. Just do what you got to do.
You gotta be patient. That's all it is right now. Is your stop loss the London high, or is it like the New York high?
Nah, it's just the next lower high.
Is it London? It might be. Yeah, I think it is the London high.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
You in there?
I'm in there.
That's
I'm in
about
there.
Almost a 4% move. I can see it now.
Come on now. Give me my money, man. What the fuck is wrong with you?
He's still pushing.
I need my money by Monday. Oh, God.
It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday, word. Need it by Friday then. Fuck it.
By Monday. That's a far distance. I need that shit tomorrow. Nah, we're getting close to this previous day's low. Let's see what happens. Let's see. There we go. Getting them
In the
droppies.
bunker again, like it ain't nowhere to park.
may happen before 10 o'clock, but hey, I'd rather have that entry at that low. Then again, timing is very key.
I mean, now that it's 9:30.
I'm just waiting to press this buy button.
Oh shit, I'm hovering.
Like when I tell you, bro, I wasn't even mad that when that shit left me last night. It was really just like, all right.
I was cool with it because it's not like it didn't come down lower. It did some bullshit
This
first.
is hilarious. I really watched that shit fully engulf points away from my entry.
That
It came
is
even
crazy,
closer on
though.
FTMO.
Fully
Like,
Bro,
FTMO
this
was
is
fire.
real crazy, bro.
Nah, real shit. What time was that too? 4 o'clock? 4:15, 4:30?
This is, bro, this is only 5 minutes
It's
of straight waking. Wow.
all I'm seeing right now is just a whole bunch of liquidity being built up.
For something.
Both sides, but both sides is ranging. Then when we get that main push, maybe at 10, that's gonna be it. Whether it's to the top side or upside, regardless, if we get a push to the top side on the highs into that 50% into the weekly gap, I'm probably gonna short. But if we run it the lows into that previous day's low and this current London low at 10 o'clock, I'm going long. Those are honestly my two trades right there. Two trade ideas. Only take one of them ideally. Already 2 break-even trades for the day. I ain't trying to be on some 4 or 5 break-evens. That's just gonna kill my spirit.
I think it's just gonna fuck with me, bro.
Watching this shit hurts my head.
I'm watching keynotes. It makes me
Let
feel
me know
good
when
seeing
that
some
shit comes
profits.
down, bro. Let me know when that shit comes down, bro. That should be pissing me off.
Bro,
Shit. Might want to watch it because when they do, it might happen fast.
it might happen real
Yeah, it's
fast.
only a keyword. Just say star fruit.
You said star play?
See, I don't even know what he said. It's already gonna be
Hard
fucked up.
fruit.
Hartford? Bro, one more time.
Star fruit.
I'm gonna be like, it's dropping.
It's dropping, yo. It's dropping, bro.
How about that?
Facts.
They don't, nigga, other people gonna be like, Starfruit, what you mean? Like, nah, never mind, bro, never mind.
Yeah.
Wrong person. Wrong audience, wrong ears.
This shit is irritating.
I'm about to grab water. Hopefully don't run a higher low volume.
Let's see. If it does, it's tragic. It is what it is. I'll wait for another entry.
It gets tragic out here, though, for real.
It gets tragic, bro. It does get
really
definitely
could.
tragic. Could. Sometimes.
FOMC next week or this week?
FOMC's next week.
Not this week.
Next week. We got no crazy news this week at all. No crazy news.
Copy. I would want to see us get out this range, but
I would love to see us get out this range. I would love to see it.
too much at this point. All right, news in 20 minutes. Tomorrow we have news at 8:30.
20 minutes?
So, yeah, it ain't shit. 8:30, 8:30. Today's only 10 o'clock news. Oh.
10 o'clock news might rock me, bro.
Fuck nigga.
Yeah, 10 o'clock news might rock me. I see it happening. Or I might get rocked before 10 o'clock. Never mind.
Yeah, it's a lot of up and down right now. Me and John noticed it last night, at least for NAS. But look at 30, my nigga. That shit's gone. Like it's still in the same spot, shockingly. And then DXY is pushing also. Yeah, DXY has been following 30 today. And then NAS is the outlier, unfortunately.
I'll be killing US30, but should be too easy.
Shit. Yeah, you got US30. That should be tragic.
That should be
Like that wick right there, that shit is automatic. I would have been at TP2, almost TP1 already. These damn wicks.
Sheep, I would have had a selling day if we would have took out US30 high or some shit.
Yeah, I'm about to get cooked.
There it goes. Yeah, it's pushing now.
If you know you're finna get cooked, get out.
Nah.
At this point, I just hold it. It came down a few times already.
Came down a couple times already. Got a big show. My stop loss is in a place that I'm comfortable losing.
I'm gonna be honest, I would get out because all they did was fill the fair value gap right there.
I'm solid, bro. I'll wait. If it stop me out, stop me out, bro. We chill. We come back tomorrow.
Oh man, I'm sorry, but how'd you wait?
We come back. Look at that. Look at that, bro.
I would have been sick.
I would have been sick. I would have been like, damn, it just dropped.
Now, even if this doesn't play out, it's just the fact that shit's so up and down that you just say, look at that.
Look at that, bro. You see, you just gotta leave it, bro. That shit gonna do what it wanna do.
Yeah, it's safer just always leave the parameters because a lot of times you're gonna be right more than times you aren't. Just emotions kick in, you start doing dumb shit.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Like last night though, me and Jenner definitely got saved because our emotions kicked in, but that shit saved us. It got us out before we took any loss.
Yeah, stop loss has saved y'all.
It's
a fact.
Nah, this zigzagging is crazy.
Bro, I don't even know what to
I like
say.
It, though. Just build up
Yeah,
for 10 o'clock.
She just can't dress, bro. She dressed really weird.
10 o'clock is something's gonna happen.
But I'm gonna be a part of it, or I'm gonna be watching.
Bro, like, why are you wearing 2 belts?
2 belts is crazy.
Yeah, I'm getting fried now. It came all the way back. I'm getting fried. Get ready.
She said her dad is
I think I didn't move one of my stop losses,
right?
so.
No, she probably grew up
I'm
like,
good.
growing up
Shit
like
hit.
taking what you can. Like, you gonna wear your sister's clothes, so it's probably like what she knows, and she don't know how to put it together.
Okay. How much did I take for the day? Took loss positions.
We're just trying to find understanding.
I took a 2K loss today.
It's not bad. 1%.
Not bad.
1.3. Not even 1.3. 1.1. 1.5. Just
Yep.
need one good trade. That's all I need.
Damn. It's just tragic that happened.
Yeah, it's just zigzagging, bro.
Zigzagging.
These are the conditions where I
wait
gotta
till 10 next time, brother.
Yeah, these confirmations. It just didn't play out.
Yeah, my confirmations is
I
there,
feel
bro.
you, but like I was telling Bells, it's always time and price, not price and time.
Yeah, but for all we know, might not even happen a ton. That's what we're
It
thinking.
doesn't matter if it doesn't. It's still waiting for time, you know? Like,
Man, fuck time sometimes.
Now sometimes like I place a trade. I place a trade before the time, and the time helps the price.
Yeah,
So
for all
it's
we know,
all about
time
just
could have
sticking
that
to it.
bullishness or bearishness and just trying.
Just sticking to whatever you usually do.
could, but that's better. It's not like it wasn't better for us to wait at that point.
So,
Because then if we didn't wait, we probably just would have got clapped.
shit. Or we could have been out by now.
But it's all situational, bro.
I don't know. This shit only moved and been moving 10 points up and down.
Shit, Keno was up 1%. That's
I was
enough
up
there.
1%. I was up 2.5K, bro, and then I lost
On a
2023.
10-point range.
Bro, another like 10 points, I would have been out the trade
This is
with like a 4K win.
It's 30-point range. Definitely had enough. Cause even at it ran that low, he could have been in for longs for all we know already. Once we ran them lows.
If anything, if it turns out, I know where the sell is gonna be.
Nah, at this point, bro, I still have no bias. Can't even run the previous day's low. If we go back into the range at that point, Jesus.
Well, I mean, there's no bias,
Jesus.
bro. It's just gonna rain. It's gonna fill a range and then drop again.
Coming back down is
another lower low.
devious. Coming back down is devious.
It's not 10 yet.
Coming back down is devious, bro. What the fuck?
NAS, I don't know how y'all trade NAS. That's just.
Nigga,
Coming
you're
back down is devious, bro. Oh my god.
That shit can't be
Yo,
down.
look at where it wake me out, bro. Look at where it wake me out. Literally right there, bro.
bullshit.
That's a bullshit, bro. That
Sorry,
bro, that look at this. Look at where it stopped me out.
yeah.
Yo.
Just take that
Yo.
understanding that where your stop loss was.
Yo.
because it wasn't above the London high like I thought, but that's why I was asking.
Wow. Wow.
For that previous day's low.
Wow. Wow.
This is where we're
You're
Wow.
gonna get in if it runs.
Yo. Wow.
Let's see how it runs.
It did you horrible.
It did me dirty, bro. Look.
Yeah, that shit did you drastic.
Horrible.
That's crazy. Damn. That is crazy, bro. It be like that. It really do be like that. I was right.
It didn't even run, bro.
I was right. It did run the low. It did run the low right there.
Equaled it.
Kind of.
They haven't ran it yet.
They
me,
haven't.
it's about to. And almost okay.
Wow.
All right.
My TP would have
Just
been
so
the hit.
close.
That's tragic, bro. It's really tragic. It's all good. Come back another day.
Live the trade another day, brother.
Facts.
Fuck, I got stopped out big even.
Telling you, bro, 30 be on that. At least NAS is like
This is the
clearly
news that's about to
ranging.
come out.
Like NAS is clearly ranging. US30 just been volatile as fuck.
That's crazy.
Shit. The jump
That's
be moving.
crazy.
Like at least with NAS, we kind of already had an idea that this shit was just ugly.
Wow.
Yo, that
Come
wick
on,
is
man.
crazy though.
Come on, NAS, you're so close. More liquidity, you fucker.
It did run it by like the point.
That's what I
Shit,
said.
oh,
By
yeah.
like a point, it did run it.
Shit, not here.
By like a point.
It ran last night's low. I'm waiting for this previous day's low. Not even last night's low. It came minuscule point. But if it were to push from here, I'm cool with missing out. It is what it is. Because that's the second time this would have missed that previous day's low by a point.
Yeah, it didn't really run the
I mean,
previous
like I
day
said,
low.
bro, on FTMO, it ran it by a point.
Nah, it didn't run the previous
Nah,
day
bro,
low.
still
It
didn't run it, bro.
ran last night's
It
low.
didn't run neither of them, actually.
Nah, the what? I got it marked up. I'm looking at it.
I don't know. 12,880 is the low.
You gotta put a line on it, bro.
I put a line on it, bro. This is where it ran.
I've had the same one marked up since last night. Still hasn't ran it.
Damn. That is tragic. My TP would have been slapped. That's
And I had
tragic.
alerts there.
It's
at
coming
that.
back
Alerts
down.
still
It's
hasn't got
coming
hit.
back down. It's coming back down.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it. But that should definitely get hit. I'm waiting for my alert to go off. I got two of them bitches at that low. Two alerts. Not one. Two.
My bitch think that she know everything, so I don't need Siri.
I hope Martin took some profit. I know he got into longs last night. Or at least he said he bought.
I think his limit was at 875.
I don't think he took. I don't know. He said he took buys. I didn't say he had a limit. So if he took them, then he probably market executed somewhere in here. But he said he was aiming for like a 1 to 7 or something. I'm like, damn, nigga.
word. Damn.
Boy, going for a full swing. Full swing. Right. It's cool. Keep waiting until 10 o'clock. Do what you
Yeah.
gotta do, man. By 10, if it pushes, then it is what it is. Maybe in my bag. Alright, let's drink some water.
Aquafina water got me cooking, man.
that weekly gap too. It finally came to an DXY, the one from this week. Bring the short term high. It's not a major one though. And nonetheless, we'll see how it reacts. Alright. Come on. What's your stop loss gonna be looking like, Jenner?
20 points. Cause like, where would it really go? If it keeps falling, it's probably gonna translate. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I don't know. I have that
I don't feel
hour,
like there's
that 8 hour gap, and after that, if it starts going, I don't even see anything else it could reach for besides that major low. And at that point, the weekly, nothing. Daily, nothing. 1 hour, wick, order block in a sense. 15-minute, hot dog water. I mean, it aligns with this 15-minute for value gap, also that 8 hour. All right, 8 more minutes. Like this is, if this plays out, this is the strongest I've seen liquidity being fucking manufactured in front of my face.
In front of your fucking eyes.
Manufacturing this shit. Because if it runs that low at 10 o'clock, call me.
It's just all manipulation.
Whole market as a whole manipulated.
You know what I'm saying? It's just all manipulation.
Up, down, up, down, up, down. It's all
Shit
manipulated.
rigged as a motherfucker.
That's tragic, though.
Nah, I don't even blame you, bro. There's only so much you could do in shit like this,
Bro.
So I try to just wait till we run highs and lows just to give me the best chance.
It's just tragic, bro. It is what it is, though. It happens.
Yeah, next time, one thing I would recommend is when London session has the high of the day or low of the day, those are usually the best points. Because if you're wrong, that's like where you're gonna be wrong. Because for all I know, this could end up just keep shitting past 10 o'clock, just die out, and then London session has that high of the day still at 2:30. It could definitely be possible, but who knows? If we're bearish, I'm cool with taking this L on the trade to figure that out. ICT's finally live on the Twitter space. Let me join up. Let me hear what you're saying, buddy. Let's see what you guys say.
I haven't seen that nigga go live in a minute.
He says it's gonna go on for years. For his, he said no, it doesn't. My bad. We're already wilding.
Feeling on me right now. Talking to me, right? We gonna see. Damn that fuck shit there. We gonna see. Fuck that bullshit there. Come the fuck down and run this low. Shoot with nobody around me like a penalty shot. Light up enough for his shit dark as fucking here. Good.
I basically told niggas to dick up this range devious. Alright. ICT got you off, sorry.
It's about to start. 10 o'clock news.
5 minutes into it, this that time and price right here. Alright, so the last clip y'all saw, I was about to get tapped in for the buy limit. That shit never activated. It's just crazy. Nonetheless, we here again. We're trying to see if we can get that same opportunity, but now it aligns with that 10 o'clock news that I was talking about. So if we could run this low, previous day's low at 10 o'clock, that would be my ideal bullish move. And if I'm wrong, then at least I should know that more than likely we're bearish. But if I lose this trade and it ends up pushing, I can't even get mad at it. This range is cooked. It's cooked bad. Cooked bad. Look at my man Kino.
Cook bad.
If he got stopped out right here, ain't nobody safe, bro. Ain't
Cook
nobody safe.
bad.
Nobody safe. What we gonna say? Yeah, let me get that quick little recording. Oh,
We're coming in. We're coming in.
trader.
Don't lag.
Now. That's what I'm saying. No lagging now, bitch. I'm here. We'll see.
Said I'm here. Bro, when I tell you I'm just hovering over the buy button, my fingers.
Bro, I have my MetaTrader. It's been that 50 lots ready since I've been fucking on these charts.
50 is crazy.
Shit, you got 25.
No, I got 17.
Risking what? 1%? You're not risking.
Not the full percent. No, 20 would be a full percent.
Shit, I'm risking at 1%.
Bro, I be thinking my wrist be fucked up. You are only, you mean?
Yeah, you be risking like weird
Low.
numbers.
Lesser. Bro, because I
0.9
promise
risk.
you. Do a 1% risk on 50K real quick. I'll let you know if it's coming down.
What do you mean?
Like
3 minutes
what
left. You
lot
good?
size- Choose your lot size for what you would take 1%
25.
on 50K. No, but like I'm telling you, put it in the calculator.
I already know what it is. It's literally just half of what
Put
I'm
it in the calculator.
Bro, what are you asking me? I'm the one who taught you how to do
Because
this.
I don't get 25.
Bro, 500 divided by 20. 20 point stop. 25. 500 divided by 50. 10 point stop. Well, yeah, 10. It's 25, my boy. I know it all. Off my heart. You're risking 0.9. You're not risking 1%. That's why a lot of sites are weird.
I'm risking like 400.
You got like decimal fucking numbers.
Let's see if this shit start. It might push all the way back up at 10.
Yeah, for all we know. I'm just waiting for this low, god damn it. But even this thing I actually see, I was just listening. He was like, these ranges, they just don't give us what we want. And it's very true. This were to fly from here, it'd make me reevaluate everything.
Nah, I wouldn't even chalk it up to me. I just chalk it up to the range.
Yeah, but it's always a level of responsibility nonetheless. If I could blame the market every time, this would make my shit way easier.
But you'll never get any better. Gotta take responsibility.
Moment of truth.
Well, shit, 10 o'clock's here. At least we ain't running before 10, because now we can actually come into within that 10 o'clock hour, which could change things. Yeah, 820 is where the entry would be, so like 860 is where my stop loss would be.
Here we go.
Oh no! Come back down, boy. Come back down, boy.
The fuck? I hate when it does
It pushes.
shit.
Ain't even gonna get mad. That's just unfortunate.
No, I just hate when it does that shit. It go up, down, up, down.
Shit. We didn't see. Now if it runs this high.
Oh, nah. If it runs this high, then it runs, bro.
Honestly, I don't know, cause bro, I'm just looking at this. It keeps building liquidity at this previous day's low, bro.
Yeah, it could be another short opportunity for me.
That short I was talking about could end up being the move. But if anything, that plays out better. Nah, that's exactly my point. That shit's gonna get ran. That shit is goner. If not now, sometime this week. We got the right next to the previous day's low. And it just keeps building. And especially because DXY is pushing, it'll be better to take a short trade along with the correlation in a sense. Because even though this is an area I want to see a reaction, I can easily use as a target or entry.
DXY is pushing? That's fucked.
It's been pushing all day since London.
That shit definitely just wicked, bro. That's crazy.
It's just following 30 for the most part. NAS isn't really following now. NAS is doing its own thing. Bro, you sitting under my camera. Better not fuck anything up. Yeah, there goes 30 for the most part. Still pushing.
I mean, it ran its high and then it wicked.
Oh, coming back down. What you finna do?
Yeah, if Bells caught the low, wick under here, he would have never got stopped out.
Yeah. It's cool though. He's more or less getting into the way we trade now, so it'll be at some point he starts being able to more or less catch flows. He just don't trade like us. So yeah, so it's actually done the stream.
I don't really trade like I don't really try to catch lows or highs.
You and Bells be having the same entries.
Yeah, we be looking for trends just to catch a trend.
Y'all look for trends, we counter them bitches.
That's
We create
dark.
trends.
There is no trend right now, my guy.
There was a trend.
I'll say bearish so far.
Yeah.
Where's the trend? where is it?
On the 5 minute, I drew it out right here. If you can see it,
5 minutes is crazy.
the 5 minute right here, you can see that trend. It came up and it broke structure right here. I got in right here for the sales, but it came back and took me out up here and then dropped down.
Damn. Okay, you were putting it down last night, huh? What? Thinking about you early, huh?
I'm like, what are you talking about, bro?
Now I'm confused.
Yeah, I was confused. I'm like, whoa, what is you talking about?
Yeah, I'm just waiting. Only time will tell.
Yeah, baby, go ahead and grab me some.
I got this cut on my toe, like straight. See blood, that shit right on like the crease. That shit's so
I
annoying.
seen the video. This nigga, he was shooting a gun. I don't know, he was shooting shit in the field and that shit blew up and something hit his face.
Damn.
Bro started spazzing. I don't know if he thought he shot himself. Bro was like, Bro, he had like it was like a rock or something. Like, a rock or like something skimmed him, but it was like, it skimmed him good to like where he started leaking. Like he started leaking, bro. It was like a small ass cut. Like it looked like a dog bit him, but he was leaking. It was like that thick red blood too.
You play stupid games, you gonna win stupid prizes.
Like, bro, he was so close to it too. I don't know if he thought shit was gonna blow up. I don't know what his thought process was. All I know is it was kind of funny.
That shit was swag though.
Alright, looks like we may finally run these lows. This will be the moment of truth for us. Moment of truth. Why am I going on? Turn on this ad boy. Memory card full. Bitch.
That's rough.
Time to pull out
Yeah, I
the
seen the new robot dogs.
robot dogs.
Yeah,
Oh man.
they got robot dogs.
Apparently
Bro.
they've been working on like animals that are, they're like turning them into cyborgs type shit, so that way they can control them.
But the thing about having a robot dog is that now it's connected to something that knows your whole layer of your house.
They can control that shit, bro.
They can control it inside your house, bro. So they know everything that's happening inside your house because it's following you.
You have one of them Roomba Johns, the little Johns that just sweep your crib, the little circle shits.
Yeah, those map your whole house out.
Apparently map your whole crib.
They map your whole house out, bro.
Shit, they can map my crib. That shit gonna be hitting walls.
Nah, but it knows the whole layer of your house.
Man, y'all be crazy. Just look at our
And
cars.
apparently your router can now, not your router now has vision.
See, just look at
using,
how
like,
powerful our phones are.
radio
bro.
waves
That's just
and
what
shit.
they allow us to have. So just make
They fucking said that they can now see what your house looks like from your Wi-Fi router.
Nice. your whole apartment. Fuck them niggas.
Because of like the waves or whatever the fuck it's sending off, they're saying it allows it to like detect it's in the room and shit throughout the building. It's just crazy.
Nah, what's crazy is everyone thinking this is support and resistance right here that I'm waiting to cut up. I'm waiting.
Them boys be wildin', man.
Oh yeah. Whoever's looking for support and resistance right here, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
I don't even know what that means.
There's no support and resistance right there, bro.
Yeah, I know someone sees it. Maybe not here, but I know someone sees some support resistance. And I'm waiting for them to go long on that support, and it's gonna cook them, and then I'm gonna catch their stop loss, and we gonna end our day. With,
Big profit, you heard?
What a maniacal laugh.
Bless you. Put that woo in there, bro.
What's the hour look like? Alright.
Yo, what the fuck?
The hour can make a wick and then reject back up. That would be ideal.
This nigga quick. I thought this nigga broke my chair. I was like, what?
Broken share is crazy.
He just didn't put up the fucking jump.
There we go. Come on. Don't be on some bullshit. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, man.
Alright, I'm in there. Alert went off. Yeah. If this shit just drops, I'm gonna go cry in the shower. Alright,
That's tragic, bro. How it took me out. That's so tragic.
Let's see what happens.
So tragic, bro.
10 o'clock, low of the day, New York session. Let's see if 20 points are gonna be valid.
Could damn near
That's
cry
honestly
right
my
now.
only thing. Like I like the trade idea. My only thing will be if my stop loss will be wide enough. But we go soon.
If anything, the 30 covers the relative low and gap. 30 points, I mean.
Look at
But I
that.
don't know. I think that's fine. I think if it comes down there, it's going.
Look at that. I'll be up
I
right
want to
now,
see a
bro.
strong ass reaction from here.
I want to see us stay here long.
Wow.
I want to see it turn into a wick and just go.
I would want to see this whole 15-minute candle wick out.
Because I'm looking on the hour. If you look at the hour, if we could just remain bullish, just turn those into wicks, that would be the best case scenario for me. But all I'm aiming for is
Honestly, with this reaction, bro, I'm about to break even, especially with
Nigga.
Nigga, what?
Nigga,
What
bro,
reaction?
I'm up one like 3 points.
He
Ain't no
said
way.
with that reaction. What reaction, bro?
No way.
It's that reaction, gang.
What reaction did you get? I'm looking on the 5, bro. I'm looking on the 1 minute. What reaction did you get? Bro, show me the reaction. I'm on the 1 minute. What reaction did you get? Yo, this dude be bugging.
I thought Bells was bad. Yeah, damn.
Jenna always be ready to put his shit at break even, bro.
I feel him, but like, damn, 10 points at least, maybe.
Yo,
I'll bring
Keno,
you
where you
maybe
from?
at 10.
Huh? Somebody said something?
Yeah, he said, where you from?
I'm from New York, but like,
You both from New York. Jersey.
Nah, I think we good, bro. Nah, 30 looked like it was on just on its retracement vibe.
It could do what it do. I'm about to get my clothes ready for the shower.
yeah, that's the best thing to do most times. Just walk away from that bitch. Can't believe she stopped me out like
Take
that.
this bitch to 13K. Come on.
Not 30. I need the 50. Trades activated. We in 50 lots, aiming for the ace in session high. Well, not even the high. That would be ideal, but previous ace high, ace in session high. But my ideal target where I'm gonna take my partials is 50% of the Asian range. If that don't play out, well, it's an unfortunate day, and I'm done. It would only be one loss for the day, so I ain't even worried about it. I'm cool with taking a loss. I'm cool with taking a W to see what the trend for the week is. So, time will tell.
Fuck with that
The
mentality.
Asian range is getting bigger.
So what?
The Asian
Damn.
range is getting bigger at least.
Today is very tragic for me, bro.
So that means we could probably start expecting some bigger moves.
Very fucking
30
tragic.
Yeah, 30 drop.
Very tragic for me, bro. I feel like just walking away.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is the move right
That
here.
nigga, oh damn.
Yeah, I'ma holler at y'all, bro. I'm out of here.
I don't blame you, bro.
Who wanna take over?
Yeah, you know
Please
how
call
you
it in,
open the
man.
drop, bro.
Nah, today fried me, bro. I don't even want to be here no more.
This shit starts dropping.